If you love the viral steak salad, you're going to love this mashup of caprese and steak salad that I made. It was so delicious. I want you to try this one. I started with bite-sized pieces of Roma and grape tomatoes. And for the grape tomatoes, I use heirloom because I like to get 30 plus plant variations in a week. And the heirloom allows me to do more towards my 30. Okay, so I use fresh vegan mozzarella. And you might want to use whatever mozzarella you want, but I'm going to say I gave this to a regular dairy eater and she could not tell the difference. So you might want to try that vegan mozzarella. Okay, so then I got some fresh basil out of the garden, chopped that up, and I mixed together and made sure that every piece of mozzarella had a piece of tomato, so be nice and even. Now we're going to start on our dressing. I used 5 cloves of garlic, and my garlic looks like this because I freeze it first. But I use a half a cup of balsamic vinegar and 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil, a little sugar, a little salt, and some pepper. You can use black pepper here or red pepper flakes, either one. Mix it all together nice and yummy. And then once you have that all mixed together into a nice vinaigrette, it's time to pour that over your caprese salad. So pour that over your caprese, and you could stop right here if you want. If this is all you want is a caprese salad, this would be amazing. But if you want to go further, stay tuned and I'm going to show you the rest. Keep going with me, okay? This caprese salad is amazing though. But I added a tablespoon of capers because we're doing this steak mashup, right? And the capers will go very good with that steak. So we also use some chopped parsley because for the steak salad, we'd use like a chimichurri. So this parsley is going to give us that reminiscence of a chimichurri. We use some spicy arugula, and let me tell you, this is so good and spicy and yummy. Let all the dressing cover your arugula, mix that all together, let those flavors meld together. Now let's start on our oyster mushroom steak. This is the kind of steak I use, oyster mushrooms, but you can use fish, chicken, or beef. Season it with Creole seasoned onion powder and use about a tablespoon of oil and mash and flip. Sometimes I mash it with another cast iron pan, but this instance I use my spatula, mash and flip until you have your desired doneness for your oyster mushroom, and then go ahead and slice it up and lay it over that beautiful salad. And there you have it, a beautiful steak caprese salad. And let me tell you, this will not disappoint. It was so delicious to meat eaters and vegan eaters alike. So good.